Alright, we're selling off hard here, and I'm looking to take a long. Alright, I'm long. 62.21. Yeah, I wish I could have got a long 600 there.
Anyway, Hydro offshore is priced right for us to make 3 to 5 times.
Alright. There's most likely going to be a bunch of demand here in this area, and I told you guys my rule of thumb. Remember I said when you're trading this stock, let it seep below this, and as soon as it reverses and starts going back up, you get long right here. Well, I didn't catch it in time, but 62.16 would have been the buy, 62.17, and it went up to 62.27. That's an easy 10-cent scalp. I don't plan on selling this position right here anytime soon. I'm just good. This is a trade to hold for me as long as we stay above these two levels. Alright, you see right now we're trading. Last print was 31. I could go ahead and sell for 10 cents, but like I said, I don't feel comfortable selling this thing until it's up at least 40-45, only because this is a significant level I have on it. Here we go, guys. Went all the way up there. That's where I sold. I sold at 62.45 just now. It went up to 62.49. That was my perfect target hit. It was a perfect trade execution play. I couldn't have asked for anything more. You see, there's 3 types of trading. You have to play offense, you have to play defense, and then you have to have psychology. So those 3 different types all need to be combined in one on every single trade. You have to know where you're going to get in the trade, where you're going to get out, and the psychological part that could happen. Well, if this trade goes this much against me, maybe I'll just hold it because I know it's going to go up. Or maybe this trade goes against me too much. Now I'm forced to cover and I lost more than I originally planned. It's a big psychological game, more than most people realize. But right now, my goal is to make at least $500 today. And a lot of people say you shouldn't put a dollar value on your trading because your emotions could be attached to it. That's a little different with me. I see my goal and I know that I'm going to accomplish it, and there's nothing that's going to hold me back. And I know I'm smarter than the other guys that I'm trading against right now. That's why my P&L is up, and you got to go into every trade with that focus. I'm the best at what I do. You know, I'm going to make money on every single trade. You just know that, and you own it. That's how I feel. Alright, I shorted a little bit at 35, just 300. Looking to make about 8 to 10 cents on this trade. I will cover at 28. It's my covering price. I see 28s here on the bid side, and it looks like the 30 could get lowered here. 31s are printing. But eventually, yes, I'm going to look to take another long. So this is a quick scalp trade. And let's see. Alright. Oh, they covered me at 31. That's okay. So I'm up 294 now. And I'm looking to take a long on CTXS. Probably around 62.20, 62.25. I'll start scaling in. Alright, here we go. Here we go. I'm long 300 right now from 62.20. And I'm looking to buy more, another 300. All right, 62.21. The second fill was for. My stop's a 62.13. So I'm risking 10 cents on this trade. Come on, get up there. Get up there. This one should be a decent one. Come on, climb up. Now I could take the quick dough on this. I might. It's hard to turn down $75 on a trade. I'm glad I took 300 shares off right there. You see how quick it could go against you? You know, you could always re-enter the trade. That's what you should never forget. Took another long, 62.25, just 300. This one's dropped off pretty significantly. This is where I come in and buy big amounts of lots. I just bought 600 shares down there. The average was 61.95. Remember, I'm in this thing from 62.25. So now my average is 62.05, which we're at right now. And I'm long 900 shares. So we need to get back up to at least 15 for me to make a profit. It's a dangerous play right here, very risky. But when you see a big down move, like I said, some people just wait to get long on plays like this, and under certain situations, I'm one of them types of people. Alright guys, I gotta start scaling out now. It's ran up. I just closed out of all my position. I mean, it could go higher. And I will look to take a long, but we gotta hold above 62.15 for me to even think about entering another long here. So I'm just gonna let this consolidate a little bit. The good thing was this big up bar gave the bulls a chance to hold this 62.15 level. I don't think this stock, after going down 8 points this morning, has a whole lot more room to the downside. It looks like the upside will be the favorable trade for the rest of the afternoon. It's 1:28 right now, and the video, I still have about 10 minutes or 5 minutes left to record. I'm going to pause it and only play it when I'm actually in the positions. Alright, took along a 62.06, only 300 shares. I'm going to see the 61.90 really needs to hold. Here we go, here we go. The buyers are trying to fight the bulls right now. I'm sorry, the bulls and the bears are going at it. Look at this. I just saw this thing move from 62.20 to 62.05 in a millisecond. These are the kinds of stocks that I love to trade. Long 600 shares, average 62.08, and I'm looking for a move to break out. If I could make 10 cents, I'd be happy, but I'd really like to get up about this 62.20 level. Alright, we've popped up to my levels, and I'm selling into this move. Alright, I'm out. I sold all 600 shares. That was a nice move. Look at this short covering going on. Institutional buying. They got over our 62.15 level. Let me draw the line. Maybe I probably should have held a little longer. So we got in at 62.08 when the buyers were confirmed. We built this little base here, and look at the run up. And we've broken out of the downtrend that we had. Look at this. When I use my drawing tool, guys, just to let you know, you see the clock freeze up, the whole screen freezes. I don't know why, that's just how the tool is that I use. But look at this. Just a nice base we formed in this little level right here, and 62.05 to 62.45, just about a 40-cent move that quick. And then now I'm short 300, and I'm short from 62.35, and the stop is at the previous high, so the stop's at 62.45, and my target 62.25 here. Here we go, just about there. 27's printing, and I might do a limit order and try to cover a 25 like that. Alright, they filled me at 25s. Luckily I think that was me right here. Yep, that was me. So I'm up 579 now, and I'm looking to take longs, like I said, for the rest of the day as long as we hold above 62.15. There you go, guys. Take a look at this volume spike that just came in here. Not on this big up move now. It was the move that happened right here. And it was 300,000 shares of people that were short covering. You need to watch this video over and over of how day trading really is, and news related driven stocks, that got hammered, especially being down 8 points. Right when you see this is your opportunity to start getting long, start scaling in, start holding the positions. There's going to be a pop, I assure that. Okay, I just took a long at 62.15, this level we put on right here. And I'm already down 10 cents, but that's alright. This, like I said, it's a trade to hold. Alright, bought another 300. They filled me at 62.09. Average is 62.12. Here we go. Here we go. We got over the 62.15 hump, but we need to hold it. I'm going to start selling into this move around 62.25, 62.30. Alright, I am getting ready to sell into this move. Alright, I scaled out of 300 there, and I'm just looking to sell out of all of it right now. Alright, I'm flat, and I'm potentially looking for a short as long as we're under the 62.15 level. So let's see what happens here. Alright, I'm short 300. And my stops is 62.16. I'm short from 62.08. We have 6 printing right now. Look, that's a 5-cent spread. You have to be very talented to trade something like this. Alright guys, and I'm gonna look to cover here soon. Seeing if we could get one more little move down. But greed is not good, so I just took 5 cents profit on that. Another 10-cent trade with 300 shares will put me up over 700 on the day. I don't have a lot of tape time left, so I'm going to try to, like I said, just get in the positions and then resume the footage. Look at this move down, guys. I was short of 62.08. See, sometimes it pays to stay short a little longer. That would have put me up about, I say 730, 740. And the short covering continues, only this time it's more serious. Okay guys, it's 3:13 now. I've only had a few other trades besides one trade actually put me up to this 800 level. Right now we've had a massive sell-off in this stock. I'm not going to be too greedy. I'm being very conservative right now because the funds are going to start either buying this thing up or dumping even more shares. Long 600 shares from 60.12, looking for a move back up to 60.25. Okay, and we got up there, so start scaling out. Wasn't quite fast enough, but I still caught a piece up 8.49. Potentially going to take a short if we break 60. Okay, I'm short 600 from 60.34 average. Let's see what happens here. Alright, here we go. It's starting to act favorably in my direction. My price target's becoming more realistic. I'd like to see this 60.20 level get approached, and that's where I'm going to cover. Here we go. Prints at 21. Looks like some bids are coming through. Hopefully they slam it down. Alright, my target's gotten hit. I'm going to cover here. And 300 to go. See what happens. See if we get a little lower. They could be buying these 15s up. Right, we drop past 15s, 10s. Here we go. Covered it down there. They filled me at 60.07. Wasn't the best fill. I'm up 975. Video's about to end. There's still 30 more cents to there's still 30 more minutes to trade, guys. I'm gonna try to get one more trade on here for you. All right, I'm long 600 from 60.05. If we drop the bid at 60, I'm gonna be forced to cover quick because the sellers will then come in. I might even reverse the trade. Sellers could really take it down here, guys. Wow, they just dropped this thing quick. I'm short. They filled me at the very bottom. All right, guys. I'm done with the video. This is all the footage I could get today. I finished the day off 927 minus commission, about 870, guys. Hope you enjoy the footage. Have a great day.